So welcome back again, guys. So there have been a lot of requests for a tutorial on how to download, import, and connect the VPN file from the DEEZY1INFO.xyz from the website. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so let's start by visiting the website, which is DEEZY1INFO.xyz. Okay, so this is the home interface. Okay, this is the main page. You click on VPN files. Okay, click on VPN files. I click on the VPN files. So we have 7 days unlimited VPN files. Okay, this is a HTTP custom file. So this one, even the logo tells you say it's an HTTP custom file, and the server is in US. So US server. That's the first one is US. This one is US, and the second one is Canada. Okay, so the one that you want, you just click on it so you can see the instructions. Check the instructions. Here we have just click on the image to download the file. Okay, so just read the instruction, click on the logo. So this particular logo, you click on it. It's very simple. After clicking on logo, you choose the platform to use to download. If you want to use the Chrome, just choose just once, or if you want to always use the Chrome to open it, you can select always. Okay, select always. So whenever you want to download the file, it will just download it automatically using the Chrome browser. Okay, so let's use for the sake of this, just use just once. Okay, so let's wait for it to download. So it is done downloading. So when it's done downloading like this, you can just click on open like this. So here it's in the Chrome download folder, okay, on your browser. So here what we are going to do now is that you just click on the file, click on it like this. So now, as they've already suggested the HTTP custom VPN for us, you just click on maybe just once. Okay. So let's wait for it to import automatically. So now it is done importing. So here we are going to connect it, but first let me show you another alternative way of importing the file after downloading it from the website. Okay, the second alternative is that you can go to your phone's the file manager. Okay, file manager, then you go to downloads. So downloads, the download folder on your phone storage. Okay, then you scroll down, definitely it will be among the recent ones, and so here it is. So this is the file. Tap on it like this, then the VPN, the recommended VPN will pop up. Then you just click on it once to import it. Okay, so these are the two major ways of importing the files after downloading them from the website. Okay, so after importing the files, you just click on connect. This point, when you click on connect and it is not connecting, you turn on the airplane mode like this. Okay, for some few seconds, then you turn it off again. Make sure you are on the log button, so when it connects you will see. Okay, so you connect, it's not working, you turn on the airplane mode and turn it off. Okay, then you wait for a while, it will connect. As you can see, it is connected down here. You see, HTTP custom ready to use. It's very simple. So if you have any suggestion or any question, you can just ask me in the comment section. Okay, thank you very much.